Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a quick and short video. Today is going to be a good day because we have finally reached 300 subscribers and I've got a special surprise for you guys, so you might want to stay tuned for that. Alright, now let's get right into the video. Okay, so we have two clips right here that have been separated, and we are going to add a transition here. It's going to be a money transition. And the link will be in the description. And this is a free, yes, I said free transition. So we're going to go to our transitions here. And we are going to click on this one and just drag it in between our clips. And you can make an adjustment. You can make it smaller or longer if you want. I'm just gonna make it smaller right here. And as you can see, let me start this over. That's the transition right there. Pretty cool effect right there. But we can make some adjustments with this transition as well. So we're just gonna go to our inspector tab right here as we highlight over the transition, and we can just increase the saturation to make it a little bit darker. We can bring the brightness down if we want. We can bring it up. I think I like this right here. We can actually reverse the transition if we want. We can scale it up and scale it down. So you have a world of options here, and as we play it back, it's a pretty cool transition that catches the viewer's eye right there. Like I said, this is a short video. This transition is free for download in the description below, so make sure you go and get that. And this was my gift to you guys for 300 subscribers, and now we're on the road to 500. So tell a friend to tell a friend, and we will be making more video tutorials to help you guys out. And I will see you guys soon. Have a great day. Thank you.